Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 2 SAM Project 1B assignment. This is the assignment of financial accounting. Our client provides us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Getting started. Open the provided file and save it with a new name. Ensure your name is in cell B6. Project steps on the invoice sheet. Step 1. Rename it to current invoice. Step 2. Middle align cell A1. Step 3. Format the billing section. Add green borders. Apply short date format to F3. Project steps on the invoice tracker sheet. Step 1. Format the title in A1. Change font, size, color and bold it. Step 2. Autofit columns A and B. Step 3. Highlight duplicates and delete the first one.
Step 4. Count invoices in B3. Step 5. Adjust column E width and wrap text in E4. Step 6. Apply shading, decrease decimal places and style headings. Step 7. Apply formats to amount columns. Step 8. Use data bars for visual indication of invoice amounts. Step 9. Highlight unpaid invoices. Step 10. Calculate average max and min invoice amounts. Step 11. Check spelling. Step 12. Match tab colors between sheets. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7 3096 55268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.